My name's Aaron Cairo, and I'm a professional skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. The first thing you're going to learn about skateboarding is how to push. Kickflips are easy, you just have to get a couple steps down well, and then you've got it made. My name is Aaron Cairo, and I've been skateboarding for most of my life. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build a solid foundation for all of your skateboarding. The following steps are learning to ollie, frontside 180, backside 180, hop shove-its, frontside shove-its, heel flips, and finally kick flips.
Hello Aaron, my name's Sam Mortlip. I need help with getting my kick flips higher and catching them.
Hey guys, so today I want to talk to you a little bit about the Braille Army. The Braille Army is basically every single person who's ever picked up a skateboard and tried to learn a trick. The whole purpose of Braille is helping you guys to learn more, push your skateboarding further, and just take it to that next level. Doesn't matter where you are, you're part of the Braille Army. Lance got really into like Walmart boards, I guess. Can I just break it now? Yeah! Home Depot. So we're gonna make a new series and it's gonna be called Skate Everything. And the idea with this series is that we go and we get random things and we attach skateboard trucks and wheels to it and then we skate on it. Does that look about right? Yeah. Oh! I wanna go straight to kickflip. Nice! First try! Yeah. What? Yeah. I'm the skate god now, Lance.
You wish, brother.
Howdy, y'all. This is a new series.
You make it, we skate it.
You guys make it and we skate it.
Cheese grater?
Oh, man.
Awesome. That's nice, dude.
Was that a land? The metal on metal. Woo.
Yeah.
Yeah. I started Braille Skateboarding to help get more new people into skateboarding because skateboarding has changed my life in a ton of awesome ways. So we literally, for the first time ever, can see, we can quantify, we can see if Braille Skateboarding is achieving its goals and purposes to get more new people into skateboarding, because we'll literally have a map of the world that says how many people have logged in and created an account, and logging in and creating an account means that you are saying, I'm a skater and I love skateboarding and I will just support skateboarding, period. Learn how to skateboard with the best tutorial series ever, right on your phone, right where you are, wherever you are. Join Braille Army Plus on the brand new Braille Skateboarding app. Learn to skate. I'll see you there. Let's go. The purpose of Braille Skateboarding is to teach as many people as possible how to ride a skateboard. As you can see, I've been working on this purpose for a very, very long time. And Braille has gone through many different things trying to achieve this goal as best as we possibly can. I'm very interested from you, what do you need the most help with? What can I do that can best help you learn to ride a skateboard? So from my viewpoint, the most important thing for all of skateboarding right now is getting new people interested in skateboarding to begin with. That's step one. First, they need to be interested. They need to think to themselves, wow, that looks so cool. Skateboarding looks so fun. I would like to try that. And then step two is teaching them how to do it. It is interesting because skateboarding went through a boom in 2020. So many people got skateboards, it was incredible. If every single one of those people that got skateboards in 2020 was still skateboarding today, you would not see the industry going through what it is going through right now. It is very intense in the skateboard world right now. And what we need is more people skateboarding. So the problem to solve, the main problem to solve is how do we get those new people, A, interested in skateboarding, and then B, teaching them how to skateboard. In my personal opinion, I feel like there's a certain trick that you get through. And this is why I always say, master the basics. Get really, really, really good at riding, and then go all the way through to the kickflip. Because I feel like if you got a skateboard and you went through all of the blood, sweat, and tears that it takes to learn how to do the kickflip, then at that point, it's like this magical moment where something has changed and you're like, wow, now I'm a skater. And we need to, right now, come together as an industry and make more skateboarders. If all of the skateboard companies and everyone in the skateboard industry were to come together right now and focus on everything that we could do to bring more people into skateboarding, that would help the entire industry a great, great deal. Sometimes people get into skateboarding through video games, movies. Yeah, sure, there's YouTube videos. Sometimes it's just seeing a skateboarder on the street. That's how I got interested. I believe I was 6 years old. I was riding in the car. I looked out the window and I saw these 3 skaters and they were skating down the street and then boom, they did this turn. And I thought to myself at 6 years old, wow, that is the coolest thing I've ever seen. That's what I want to do. And then I got my own skateboard later, started skateboarding, and then boom, the rest is history. So I'm very, very, very interested in what do you guys think? How did A, you get interested in skateboarding in the first place, and B, what can I do or what can we do as an industry to help you learn how to skateboard? So with that being said, here are some things that I have set up in the past that I want you to know that we are still doing to this day. Skate supports. If you're working on a trick and you're struggling, you can submit your skate support video. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. There's a little tab right at the top that says community. You click on that, there's a drop-down menu and it says skate supports, and then you follow those directions, submit your video, then I can get your video and I'll do the voiceover and I'll try my very best to teach you how to do that trick. I see comments all day long. Aaron, can you help me learn how to ollie? Aaron, can you help me kickflip, frontside 180, backside 180? Whatever the trick is, the answer is yes. It's very hard for me to teach you how to do any of that though, unless I see what you're doing. So in your video, it's very important that you say the tricks that you know how to do, what the trick is you're working on, how long you've been trying it. The more information I have, the better. And then I need to see what you're doing. So you can film this yourself. Just set up your phone, your camera on a tripod, or just literally set it down and hit record and then go do the attempts of your trick. The best way to do this is all the tricks that you know first and then your trick attempts, because then I can see where you're at. I can see what level of progression you're at and I can help you best from there. So that's the skate supports. That's something that we do. It's available on the website. And then yeah, we've done so many different things, from the app that we have to the Braille Skateboarding Academy, where you can learn how to skateboard directly from me. That is a subscription service that you can get at brailleskateboarding.com, and you will get the link to sign up on the Discord server where you can just message me directly. I still have people to this day messaging me their tricks, asking me questions, and I love, love, love to help people learn how to skateboard. That is my passion, that is my purpose. As you can see from this video, I've been working on that purpose for a very, very long time. That purpose has not changed. The world and skateboarding has changed a lot, but that purpose remains the same. And the reason I keep making these videos to this day is because I know skateboarding has helped me in my life so, so, so much. So I'm very passionate about sharing my passion of skateboarding with other people and using my 31 years of skateboarding experience to help you guys learn that trick that you're struggling with. I've been doing this for a long time. I'm gonna keep doing this for a long time, and I'll do everything I can to help you learn how to do that kickflip. That is all there is about it. You wanna learn how to do an ollie, kickflip, ride, you wanna learn how to do a grind trick, whatever it is, I'm here to teach you. That's the purpose of Braille Skateboarding. I'm very interested into what you guys think of how we can do this better, how we can grow the sport of skateboarding better, faster, more efficient. Another idea that I had that I've not quite yet launched upon fully, but it would be good to have skateboard groups going in different areas where you have a person who's like a more veteran skater and they start a little skateboard group to help the beginners learn. Skateboarding is super, super hard. And the easier that we make it from a completely non-existent skater, never stepped on a board before, all the way through to kickflip, the easier we can make that progression, the better and faster this sport will grow. And the thing that's so beautiful about skateboarding is it does bring people together. You see another skater, you're like, wow, you're a skater, I'm a skater. It doesn't matter your guys' cultural differences, it doesn't matter where you came from, none of the background matters. All that matters is that you're a skateboarder and you're gonna go out and you're gonna ride that skateboard and have fun. And all that matters on here, online, and on these videos is, did you, A, get interested, and B, learn how to kickflip? If you've not yet learned how to kickflip, I have work to do to teach you how to do all of the tricks up to kickflip and to learn that kickflip. So I wanted to make this video just to reiterate and to give you guys again the purpose of Braille Skateboarding. I might just make this video in a new unit of time every single month to keep that purpose there. So each of you know and understand what we're doing here, what the goal is, and where we're heading. So I'm gonna continue making tutorial videos, the absolute best tutorial videos I can possibly make, and I'm gonna keep making resources available for you. My goal is to create a website that has every single tutorial in every possible way that it can be done. Slow-mo, not slow-mo, teaching another person a live lesson, just a straight up trick tutorial, every single resource for every single trick. So we have the world's largest skateboard resource that's available for you guys, so you have access, so you can not only learn, but you can help your friends learn too. And in that way, we are going to grow skateboarding. So let's come together and let's grow this sport together. If you love skateboarding, it's time to help others love it too. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. We have everything you need to learn to ride a skateboard.